All right, so hopefully I'm in focus. I wanted to ask you guys this real quick. What would you guys prefer? Went to the track a while ago. This is footage of the Emacs, just me driving around having fun. And what's going on is that I have two different videos of the Emacs here. I have one that is about 6 minutes and 30 seconds. This one is about 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Would you guys want a video that's more like a practice video? This one's more practicey, just with some music and me driving. Or would you want more of almost like a first drive video where the clips are changing, things are moving, fast music, that kind of stuff? Yeah, let me know. I like to put this kind of stuff on my Instagram instead of YouTube, so go follow me on Instagram so you guys can be updated like this. Because I don't know, I feel like that this isn't really where this is going to stay. I'm not sure if this will stay live or not. Yeah, but I wanted to put it on YouTube because I know I'll get more of a response on YouTube than on Instagram. But follow me on Instagram because I'm posting some fire. What? Do the young kids say that still? I don't even know. Either way, let me know which ones you guys would be interested in. A longer video, longer practicey video, or shorter, punchy, fast music kind of a video. This video is not going to be coming out this Saturday. It will be up maybe next Saturday, but not this Saturday. So, all right. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video or at the track.